guys, so today is October 2nd. I wanted to do Vlogtober, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to do like full out vlogs every day because nobody got time to be picking up a camera every single day for what, 31 days. So I didn't start yesterday because honestly I forgot that yesterday was October 1st. So today it's a little late. I already did my makeup and everything. I've actually been out of the house already. I had an interview today for, you know, a little part-time job that I have so I can make a little cash while I'm in school. And then I came back. It went well. And now I'm home. I changed my outfit into something simple, which I'm just so annoyed because like yesterday the weather, it wasn't too cold, but it wasn't too hot either. And then I feel like this weather is just up and down. Like I live in PA, right? And like this weather is like crazy. Like today is so freaking hot. Like I wore a little jacket, a little sweater over my outfit today for my interview because I get cold easily. And I stepped out of my interview and I was burning up. It's so hot today and I'm just over, like I'm over wearing shorts. I just want to wear sweatpants and go about my day. And this weather is not letting me be great. Like, not bashing that it's warm because once it gets cold, it gets cold. But, you know, I do want it to be cool. Like, and then this weekend coming up, it's homecoming weekend, which I'm going to try to vlog. And it's going to be cold again. Like, can you let me live my life? If you're going to be hot, so I can at least wear a dress and wear some shorts in the daytime and be cute. You're not allowing that because it's going to be cold this weekend. And that's really how people get sick. Anyways, I'm at home. It's now, what is it? 12:11, and I have my first class at 2:30, and then I have another one at 4, and I'm finished at 5. Then I was planning on staying on campus to finish up the rest of my work so that I could just get them out of the way before I came home. So for the meantime, until 2:30, I was thinking about taking a nap because I'm tired. I need one. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna come back. This is gonna be a short vlog, but I feel like I'm not gonna be vlogging every day in Vlogtober, but I definitely want to get some parts wherever I can, like whenever I remember to get some. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I'm on my way. Oh, I got this camera all up in my damn face. Let me just show you. Anyways, I am rushing late for class because, girl, I took that nap. I was out. I woke up, got something to eat. Because I was starving when I woke up. And then okay. Alright, yeah, so I took this nap, ate something. Class starts at 2:30. It's now 2:24 and I live like 10 minutes away. So I'm about to hurry up, hop in this car, and hurry up and get there. I don't know if this is zoomed in or out. Yeah. it's hot in here. It is burning. And then, you know, you can't just turn your AC up because that be hot too. Lord, I'm just hoping I can find parking. Y'all, earlier I parked illegally, right? And I saw this lady taking pictures. I'm like, she better not give me a ticket. I had to run in for 2 minutes. And I need to get gas. But that's gonna wait. I need to get gas in a car wash. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. But, you know, I don't want to see it. I don't want to be that girl being loud in here. I'm trying to do my assignments that I have. Some of them I won't be able to do them today. I'm supposed to do this online quiz, but she hasn't uploaded it yet. So I need to do that. I think she will upload it tomorrow, so I'll do it tomorrow and get it over with. Right now, I'm doing this soul survey. Did I say so loud? And I'm about to see what that's about. I'm doing all my iPad, and then I'm about to do my discussion for my online class, which is a wellness theory class. I just did my lab that I had to turn in, the paper part of it, and yeah, that's what we do. No, I'm using my my phone, but it is so pretty outside. It's really about to be, it's really fall now because it's like, what, it's 7 o'clock now. Usually it doesn't get dark until like 8:30. I'm in my car. I'm using my phone, like I said, because I didn't want to take my camera out. But I'm about to go home. I was trying to study, but well, I got some stuff done. But my computer, I tried typing with my attached keyboard, and I don't know, for some reason it was moving pretty slow. It took a while for the notes to pop up. So I decided, I wrote what I had to write, but I still need to reply to the discussion for my class. So I'm gonna go home and use my MacBook to do that. And I'm starving, so I'm about to go home and figure out what to eat right now. And yeah, that's about it. My hair is looking a hot ass mess. Not really, but I don't know. I'm not feeling my hair this week. I think it's because I've just been wearing my natural hair for a while. Now I'm tired of it. But yeah, I'm about to do my weave like tomorrow or Friday. So I might show you how I install it. But yeah, I'll get back to y'all when I get home. Yo, my TV is always on ion. I don't know why. My bed is squeaking. I hate this. So the bed that I have, right, it's like, it's what comes with the rooms here. If you guys don't know, I live off campus, but I live in on-campus housing, like off-campus housing. So okay, so I live off-campus housing. And so, you know, it's like fully furnished in here. But the bed, it's just on this bed frame with the springs and everything. And then the mattress is on it. But it doesn't have like a back spring. So like, you can hear the squeaks. I'm just like, oh my god. You can know when I'm on the bed. And like, I'm not about to buy a box spring because, hello, I'm only here for a few more months before I graduate. So, I just have to deal with it. This is the first apartment that I've seen done that. Like, I've been to like probably all the off-campus apartments, and I don't remember their bed squeaking like this. But then again, I don't be in the bed. Anyways, I'm watching the, I don't know, I think I might watch Ghost Whisperers on Hulu because I've been watching that since I've been back at school. And I used to watch it on Prime, but I guess Prime only has a few seasons. So they sent me to Hulu. But yeah, I'll see if I vlog some more later. I'll add that in, then I'll edit this vlog and post it. I'm trying to post it tonight, so this might be the end of it actually, because I didn't do too much and it's not much else to do, honestly. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow or whenever I post another vlog. So yeah, bye. And also, before I make sure to like this video and subscribe, and yeah, comment below. I know my hair's looking raggedy, y'all, don't come for me. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.